do it again. It was cute. Oh, now you're bouncing too much. What? What's wrong, sweetheart? There's one big bubble. Bubble! I don't know if you can even see it in this video. I'll have to wait and see when we watch it again. Are you blowing bubbles? Are you blowing bubbles? And bubbles, bubbles. Yeah, you're blowing bubbles now. You're bouncing too much to see it really clearly, but she's doing full mouth bubbles. It's like I'm moderately upset, and Mama's not picking me up, and I'm blowing bubbles by myself.
People see this video, they're going to be like,